Here are some amazing facts about Gouldian Finch. Scientific name: the Gouldian Finch is scientifically known as Erythrura gouldiae. Common names: it is also known as the rainbow finch, Lady Gouldian Finch, or Gould's finch. Color variations: Gouldian finches are known for their striking color combinations. They come in three primary head color morphs: red, black, and yellow. Body colors: their bodies are adorned with bright green, yellow, and purple feathers. Size: these finches are relatively small, measuring about 12 to 15 centimeters, 4.7 to 5.9 in length. Weight: Gouldian finches typically weigh around 14 grams, 0.5 ounces. Lifespan: in captivity, they can live up to 8 years, but in the wild, their lifespan is generally shorter. Native habitat: they are native to the tropical savannas of northern Australia. Range: their range extends across the Northern Territory, Western Australia, and Queensland. Seasonal movements: Gouldian finches are partially nomadic, moving seasonally to find food and suitable breeding conditions. Habitat preference: they prefer open woodlands with grassy understories, particularly areas near water sources. Social birds: Gouldian finches are highly social and are often seen in flocks outside the breeding season. Breeding pairs: during the breeding season, they form monogamous pairs. Communal roosting: at night, they often gather in large numbers to roost in dense foliage. Vocalizations: their calls include soft chirps and high-pitched trills, used for communication and attracting mates. Seed eaters: their diet primarily consists of seeds from various grasses. Seasonal diet changes: during the wet season, they may also consume insects, particularly to feed their young. Foraging behavior: Gouldian finches forage on the ground and in low vegetation. Breeding season: the breeding season typically occurs from October to March, aligning with the wet season. Nesting sites: they prefer to nest in tree hollows or termite mounds. Clutch size: a typical clutch consists of 4 to 8 eggs. Incubation period: the incubation period lasts about 13 to 15 days. Parental care: both parents participate in incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. Fledging: chicks fledge approximately 20 days after hatching. Endangered species: the Gouldian finch is listed as endangered due to habitat loss and other factors. Population decline: their populations have declined significantly since the 20th century. Threats: major threats include habitat destruction, predation, and diseases like tracheal mite infestation. Conservation efforts: conservation programs focus on habitat restoration and captive breeding. Colorful beak: juvenile Gouldian finches have a distinctive beak with blue and white nodules that help parents see their mouths in low light. Feather mold: they undergo a complete mold after the breeding season, replacing all their feathers. Sexual dimorphism: males are generally more brightly colored than females. Sunbathing: they are known to sunbathe by spreading their wings and feathers to absorb sunlight. Dust bathing: Gouldian finches take dust baths to maintain their plumage and remove parasites. Territorial display: males perform elaborate displays and songs to attract females and defend their territory. High mortality: high mortality rates among juveniles are common, often due to parasites and predation. Egg-laying frequency: females can lay multiple clutches per breeding season if conditions are favorable. Selective mating: females show a preference for males with brighter plumage, indicating better health and genetic quality. Popular in aviculture: Gouldian finches are popular pets due to their vibrant colors and pleasant demeanor. Captive breeding programs: breeding programs in captivity aim to boost their numbers and reintroduce them into the wild. Diet in captivity: in captivity, Their diet is supplemented with seeds, fruits, and vegetables to ensure proper nutrition. Camouflage: despite their bright colors, their plumage blends well with the vibrant flora of their natural habitat. Strong flyers: they are agile flyers, capable of quick and precise movements through dense vegetation. Thermoregulation: their feather structure aids in thermoregulation, allowing them to withstand varying temperatures. Named after: the species is named after Elizabeth Gould, the wife of ornithologist John Gould, who first described the bird. Art and symbolism: the Gouldian finch has been featured in various forms of art and symbolizes beauty and resilience. Susceptibility to diseases: they are prone to respiratory infections and parasitic infestations. Importance of hygiene: proper hygiene and a clean environment are crucial for their health in captivity. Regular health checks: regular veterinary check-ups are recommended for captive Gouldian finches to ensure their well-being. Predators: natural predators include birds of prey, snakes, and larger mammals. Role in the ecosystem: they play a role in seed dispersal and help control insect populations.